हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है आप सबके? आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ follow video on my husband's his travel from Pakistan to Toronto during this ban जो कि पाकिस्तान की फ़्लाइट्स का बैन हुआ है यहाँ पे फ़िलहाल कनाडा में. So I'm just recording. Well, I'm just telling out his journey because I asked him to record it, but he said मैं नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा. एक तो मास्क ग्लव्स ये सब टेंशन है अलग. तो ही डिडंट रिकॉर्ड फॉर मी लेकिन मैं आपको ऐसे वर्बली सुना देती हूँ. फर्स्ट वीडियो मैंने अपलोड कर दी है. फर्स्ट वीडियो में बेसिकली इट वाज द होल जर्नी फ्रॉम टोरंटो टू कराची टू अबू धाबी टू टोरंटो. अब ये सेकंड वीडियो बनाने का मकसद ये है कि मैं होटल विज़िट और फॉलोअप जो हुआ उनके साथ वो शेयर करूँ. सो ही लैंडेड इन टोरंटो पियर्सन एयरपोर्ट. वहाँ पे जो है हमने ऑलरेडी होटल बुक करा हुआ था उनके लिए. तो ही उनकी होटल बस शटल आके उन्हें पिक कर लिया. उन्होंने होटल शटल वाले लोगों ने एंड देन ही वेंट टू हिज रूम स्ट्रेट अवे. वहाँ पे it wasn't, I'm not gonna say the most luxurious, it wasn't the most luxurious of the places because he said वो थोड़ा सा underground like first level पे ही था, floor पे. जिन जो quarantine थे वो सब first floor पे ही थे mostly. So it was just like the view was at the parking lot, so view भी कोई इतना खास नहीं था. So he was like he was expecting a bit more of a view and I said oops, I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. Anyhow, so yeah, तो व्यू कुछ इतना ख़ास नहीं था. बहरहाल he did his, so the hotel was booked for 3 nights, and he had to show that at the airport before when he went to immigration. जब उन्होंने you know how वो करते हैं, क्या कहते हैं उसे, declaration करी, तो they asked him for his hotel reservation. Basically they asked him for his stay plans. Okay, 3 nights वहाँ पे spend करी. Then घर पे आ गए. घर पे hotel stay was good, the food was good. Hotel was pretty big name, Sheraton, 4 points by Sheraton. So खाना भी अच्छा था, हलाल था, मीट भी था, लंच भी आ रहा था. So basically how they were giving it in brown bags, वो brown bag जो है वो हैंडल पे लटका देता था आपके, and he would just knock the door and you just pick up whatever. वो पूरे डे का मेन्यू भी आपको देते थे खाने के साथ कि this you will be served this blah blah blah. He said the food was good, better than what he had expected, I guess. So yeah, he ate that, and then 3 nights के बाद he was to come on the following day at 12 noon. तो हमारे किरत के हस्बैंड उन्हें लेने गए. तो आए, then he came and then he settled down in Ammi's basement because he had to he had to complete his 14 days of quarantine basically. तो downstairs at least ये तो था ना घर में. खैर he finished his quarantine in the basement. In the meanwhile he had to do 8 days के बाद एक और कोविड टेस्ट करना था. तो वो टेस्ट किट जो थी वो एयरपोर्ट पे ही मिली थी ऑलरेडी. और he had to fill out Arrive Canada every single day. Like he was filling out if he had any symptoms, if he had developed any symptoms over time or whatnot. So he had to do that as well. Yeah, so he was doing that too. Anyways, so he did that. उसके बाद 8 days के बाद उन्होंने कोविड टेस्ट करा, जो किट मिली थी ऑनलाइन, जो किट मिली थी एयरपोर्ट पे. सो वो किट हमें इनको यूज़ करनी थी 8 days के बाद. एंड इट वाज लाइक अ वीडियो चैट विद अ नर्स, एंड देन वो नर्स ने गाइड करा कि कैसे करना है सब कुछ. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, उस वीडियो चैट के लिए जो कोविड टेस्ट करना था ना, ही हैड टू वेट एटलीस्ट 1.5 hours just to get a hold of the nurse because even though appointment था, it was like between 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. का एक slot दिया हुआ था. उस slot में उनको appointment मिला था और उस appointment में he logged in at 11 a.m. exactly, he told me, and there were more than 100 people waiting, and उनका नंबर आया पूरे घंटे बाद, 1.5 घंटे बाद actually. So yeah, that wait time was frustrated, but he's like मैं फारिग हूँ, मुझे और क्या करना है, मैं वेट ही कर लेता हूँ. Anyhow, so he did that COVID test, and then वो COVID test की किट के अंदर ही ना आपका जो है वो shipment label भी है. It's either by Purolator and one more service है. So his was by Purolator. We put it out. उसकी भी एक बड़ी कहानी है, मैं सुनाती हूँ. So we put out the parcel by Purolator. So you were supposed to put it outside, and then they would come and pick it up from your doorway, because it's supposed to be a contactless delivery, so they cannot contact you, right? Contactless delivery, hence the fact. Behral. So I put it out, just, you know how I'm supposed to put it out. And some genius in my house thought कि कोई parcel आया है. So they kept it, they picked it up and put it in the mail. And then I'm like, okay yaar, next day I checked, right? Of course, because मेरा दिमाग तो वहाँ गया ही नहीं. So next day I checked, I'm like, let's go check the parcel if it's got picked up or not. And I see it sitting where the mail should be. And I'm like, मैंने तो अपना सर पकड़ लिया. मैंने कहा oh my god, ये किसने अंदर रख दिया. then पूरे घर को पूरा बताया, नेक्स्ट डे पूरे घर को बताया, भाई ये पार्सल जाना है, आया नहीं है, इसको बाहर ही रहने दो, it will be picked up and blah 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 whatnot. Then I told the whole house. But then I had to call Purolator, because then I had to schedule another pickup, because it didn't get picked up obviously. Let me tell you one thing, अगर आपका parcel Purolator के साथ है ना, they're not running on time, so leave the parcel outside. अगर जैसे उन्होंने बोला ना, for me it was supposed to be getting picked up at 9 to 6 p.m. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. but it didn't get picked up at 6 p.m. for me. It got picked up at 6:30 for me. I didn't complain about it, because I was like, okay, whatever, as long as it got picked up, it doesn't really matter for me. But if you wish to complain about it, you can, but मैंने नहीं करा. For me, it was just like test report आए ताकि हम लोग like, you know, मिल सके finally, like we could sleep together, we could sit together, you know. It was just, I was over the process. Then I guess 2 दिन बाद रिजल्ट आ गया था, वो भी ऑनलाइन आ गया था, नेगेटिव आ गया था. Then we were like, forget it, इतने सारे कोविड टेस्ट हो चुके हैं, we're moving in together, that's it. In 14 days में इनको हमें को कॉल ज़रूर आई हैं, like symptom checkup के लिए, and like, you know, loneliness and mental health stability के लिए calls आई थी. Unfortunately, one of few times his calls didn't get picked up. So when his calls didn't get picked up, they left a voicemail, and the voice message said, you cannot call them, they will call you. So it was more like they were calling him, we couldn't call back on the number. And then one time we actually got connected to that call, and that was an automated call, so it was just an automation, so don't worry about it. But they just simply asked you if you were developed any symptoms, yes, no, blah blah blah. Anyways, if you have done like 4 COVID tests in like less than 42 hours, I think you're good. Anyway, so if you've done like I was saying, if you've done like more than 3-4 COVID tests within 42 hours, I think you're good. But so we took precautions as much as we could. I mean, like, it's been a long time. So yeah, 10 months to be exact. So yeah, that 14 days was like pain, to be honest. But overall, in the end, everything happened for good, and alhamdulillah, we're here together. And he saw his daughter for the first time. The reaction was mild from both sides. I wish I could record the reaction, but I couldn't record it. So yeah, it was just a mild reaction. If it was my reaction, I would have been jumping up and down, but that's how they did it. Anyhow, so yeah. So yeah, वो 14 दिन इतने कोई वो नहीं रहा. Just follow up में they called on the provided numbers. He had to make sure he was doing Arrive Canada app every single day. Like, he had to do a symptom check every day on the Arrive Canada app, and it actually sends you notifications as a reminder that you have to do these. And what else did we do? And then he did like the COVID test that you're supposed to do at home on the 8th day. with a live nurse. So the nurse was on video call, and then she guided you or he guided you through the whole process, and then you send that and then you send that test to the lab, and on your application after the 8th day, and then you've done your COVID test, it actually asks, did you send your COVID test to the lab? And because of what happened with our situation, we actually had to mark no for a couple of times, and then we marked yes. So that didn't affect anything, and surprisingly, but that was his 14 days. No follow-up, no police coming over, no anybody complaining, nothing, none of that happened, which was pretty good. So yeah, let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to guide you. Bye for now. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. कोई भी क्वेश्चन वगैरह हो मुझे वीडियो में कि नीचे मैसेज कर देगा, मैं रिप्लाई कर दूँगी. आई डोंट माइंड रिप्लाइंग. So yeah, just let me know. I guess for him this travel and stay was pretty good. He didn't mind it. It's just COVID test करवा के ना कहेगा कि नाक में दर्द हो गया. लोग कहते सर में दर्द हो गया, लोग कहते नाक में दर्द हो गया. Just adapting to this COVID situation. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And sorry, I forgot to mention in the video that he traveled from Karachi to Abu Dhabi to Toronto Pearson. Okay, अगली वीडियो तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़. See you later.